What's your name?
My name is Jara.
What's your last name?
My last name is Jenny.
How do you spell your name?
Jenny.
Where are you from?
I'm from the United States.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What's your address?
It's 45 Lake Street.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-9876.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
When is your birthday?
It's on October 5th.
What's your job?
I'm a student.
Where do you study?
At City University.
What's your major?
Computer science.
What year are you in?
I'm in my second year.
Do you like your major?
Yes, I do. I love technology.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and playing guitar.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like photography.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
Coffee.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I go jogging in the park.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
What time do you go to school or work?
I leave home at 8:30 a.m.
How do you get there?
I take the bus.
What time do you come home?
Around 5 p.m.
What do you do in the evening?
I study, watch TV, or talk with my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love action and comedy movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
I really like Tom Holland.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day. I enjoy pop music.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to travel and study abroad.
How long have you been learning English?
For about 2 years.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I try to speak or listen every day.